Welcome to Best Quality.
Ten Best Mechanical Keyboard New Model 2022. We are going to check out top 10 best mechanical keyboard in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this mechanical keyboard, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Fiodio Rainbow Membrane Gaming Keyboard, Quiet Wired Computer Keyboard, 104 silent keys, 26 anti-ghosting keys, spill-resistant, multimedia control for PC and desktop, easy operation and broad compatibility. As a plug-and-play device, this wired gaming keyboard does not need any software support, serving as a great choice for PC, laptop, computer keyboard. It is compatible with Win XP WIN7 WIN8 WIN10. Thin and quiet. This keyboard is thin enough, which make your wrist very comfortable. And as a membrane keyboard, it's quiet for working in the office or playing games in the night. Non-conflicting and multimedia keys. The anti-ghosting technology allows 26 keys to work simultaneously, offering you smooth and responsive gaming experience. The multimedia keys make audio settings and control easier.
Top 9.
Fiodio Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, fantastic LED rainbow backlit wired keyboard, full anti-ghosting keys, with quick response blue switches and multimedia control for PC and desktop computer, superior blue switches for incredible typing feedback. The mechanical keyboard is designed with blue switches, which provides crisp key clicks and pleasant paragraph feeling. Bright and colorful backlit keyboard. The colorful rainbow backlit can bring you into a great gaming keyboard atmosphere. There are permanent lighting and automatic breathing lighting modes for your options. You can also adjust the brightness of the backlight according to your preference.
Top 8.
SteelSeries Apex Pro Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, adjustable actuation switches, world's fastest mechanical keyboard, OLED smart display, RGB backlit. On the point adjustable switches allow for customization of actuation distance from 0.4mm to 3.6mm. OLED smart display, an integrated command center for adjusting settings and tracking on the fly. Info straight from your game, Spotify, Discord, and more. Aircraft grade aluminum alloy built for a lifetime of durability and stability. RGB illumination, unmatched customization with 16.8 million colors per key. Premium magnetic wrist rest provides full palm support and comfortable ergonomic feel.
Top 7.
Razer Ornata Chroma Gaming Keyboard, hybrid mechanical key switches, customizable Chroma RGB lighting, individually backlit keys, detachable plush wrist rest, programmable macro functionality. High performance mecha membrane switches provides the tactile feedback of mechanical key press on a comfortable soft cushioned membrane rubber dome switch, suitable for gaming. Ultimate personalization and gaming immersion with Razer Chroma, fully syncs with popular games. Razer hardware, Philips Hue and gear from 30+ partners, supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Fully programmable macro support. Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and key press combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Ergonomic magnetic wrist rest made of soft touch leatherette to maximize comfort over extended gaming sessions with built-in magnets for
Top 6.
Razer BlackWidow V3 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, green mechanical switches, tactile and clicky, Chroma RGB lighting, compact form factor, programmable macro functionality, classic black signature mechanical switch for gaming. Razer green switch technology provides a satisfying clicky sound with 50 G of actuation force, ideal for typing and gaming requiring the highest accuracy. Ultimate personalization and gaming immersion with Razer Chroma, fully syncs with popular games. Razer hardware, Philips Hue and gear from 30+ partners, supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Double-shot ABS keycaps, using a double-shot molding process to ensure the labeling never wears off. The keycaps also have extra thick walls which make them extremely tough to withstand constant spamming. Ergonomic, magnetic wrist rest, made of plush leatherette, to maximize comfort over extended gaming sessions.
Top 5.
Havit mechanical keyboard wired 89 keys gaming keyboard red switch keyboard with PBT keycaps for PC gamer computer, black, 89 key keyboard with 89 key design. The wired keyboard saves space while retaining the number keys. Perfect for office and games. Press FN plus backspace turn on the num lock. The backlight of the number pad is on and functional. Colorful PBT keycaps. The 60% mechanical keyboard is with unique and high-quality PBT keycaps, which have excellent touch experience and long serving time. Colorful keycaps can bring a more pleasant mood to games or work.
Top 4.
ROCCAT Vulcan 121 mechanical PC tactile gaming keyboard, Titan switch, AIMO RGB backlit lighting per key, anodized aluminum top plate and detachable palm wrist rest, black Titan switch mechanical, tactile, designed and built entirely by ROCCAT engineers and developed for gamers who love the feel of mechanical switches but demand the feel of the crisp, tactile bump and instant responsiveness. Advanced anti-ghosting technology optimized for gamers to ensure every keystroke of the most used keys is registered, no matter how frantic the action gets.
Top 3.
ROCCAT Vulcan 122 mechanical PC tactile gaming keyboard, Titan switch, AIMO RGB backlit lighting per key, detachable palm wrist rest, anodized aluminum top plate, full size, white silver Titan switch mechanical, tactile, designed and built entirely by ROCCAT engineers and developed for gamers who love the feel of mechanical switches but demand the feel of the crisp tactile bump and instant responsiveness. Advanced anti-ghosting technology optimized for gamers to ensure every keystroke of the most used keys is registered, no matter how frantic the action gets.
Top 2.
ROCCAT Vulcan Pro Linear Optical PC Gaming Keyboard, Titan switch full size, with per key AIMO RGB lighting anodized aluminum top plate and detachable palm wrist rest, low profile, black optical speed, linear mechanical feel. ROCCAT's new linear Titan switch optical actuates at the speed of light for a whole new level of speed and responsiveness, whilst retaining the signature keystroke feel of mechanical.
Top 1.
Logitech G915 TKL Tenkeless Lightspeed Wireless RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, Low Profile Switch Options, LightSync RGB, Advanced Wireless and Bluetooth Support, Tactile Wireless Gaming Gear brand, based on independent aggregated sales data, Feb 19, FEB'20 of wireless gaming keyboard, mice, and PC headset in units from US California, CN, JP, KR, TW, TH, ID, DE, FR, RU, UK, SE, TR. Lightspeed Wireless delivers pro-grade performance with flexibility and freedom from cords. Creates a clean aesthetic for battle stations. Delivers 40 hours on a single full charge. LightSync technology provides RGB lighting that synchronizes lighting with any content. Personalize each key or create custom animations from about 16.8 M colors with Logitech G Hub software.
This video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.